Well, I thought we should put a wagon behind this that hobos can jump in and out of. I've been playing around trying to research this particular locomotive, and what I've discovered is they seem to have all been made by Lima in Italy, and she doesn't like the way the track dips there. But this type of engine doesn't seem to ever have been used by French state railways. So this would seem to be one of those sales gimmicky sort of things. You know, they built one that was that was German state railway, and then they produced them in green to catch the French customers. Now, if any of you have got a brand new unused one in the box, complete with the pantograph, with no damage at all, send it to me. Oh, hello, that's working, look at that. Send it to me. I'll pay the postage. I'll even send you a postal order for $2 US or something, because these, the value ranges from eye-wateringly high amounts of money, for the perfect example, in the box with no damage, to basically peanuts, which is what this one is worth. I didn't buy it as an investment, I just bought it because I thought it would be a bit of fun. You know, I've got many more things to be doing rather than playing with trains. We get a few days sun here, and we need straight away to water, but I am watching these tomatoes starting to grow, which is rather pleasing. I have others. I need to get some more weeding done, of course. Where did I see some other tomatoes? Ah, yes. They're funny looking things, aren't they? But we've got some more courgettes to get planted, which means I need to get some spade work done. Some of the courgettes are rushing away, but they are a favourite with snails. But while we're weeding, we can do a bit of harvesting as well. Now, this is what the effort is all about.